Hi everybody. A company that started by financing a scooter and motorcycle and eventually became one of the India's most valuable financial businesses. An investor who stayed invested for the long term saw their wealth multiply many over time. And this is the story of Bajaj Finance and a company that transformed itself and from traditional lending businesses into financial powers. And how did Bajaj Finance achieve what many lenders could not? Let's find out. So, in the early 20s, Bajaj Finance was not the giant company we know today, but most people associate with Bajaj name with scooters and motorcycle and consumer products. Like its finance business was literally relatively small and largely focused on vehicle financing and nothing about it. So it's suggesting just that it would become one of the India's greatest wealth creators. So, but behind the scenes, a transformation was beginning. Like, see, the turning point came with when Sanjeev Bajaj and his team started reimagining future, and instead of being just another lender, they wanted to become uh, a complete financial ecosystem. The question was also very simple: why lend only for vehicles when customer need financing for hundred of things? Why for only vehicle? You know the point. If we are lending, uh, if customer lending some amount per vehicle, they can lending there can be millions of thousands of regions. The single question changed also, everything at the time. Buying electronics often required paying the full amount upfront, like television, refrigerator and washing machine. Most customers delayed purchase because of high cost. Bajaj Finance introduces simply a solution, e.g. EMI financing, and customer could now buy products immediately and pay over time, and this made expensive product affordable, and millions of customers that idea loved it. So most lenders acquire the customers after they need a loan. So every consumer durable loan become an opportunity. So when someone finances television or smartphone or anything or refrigerator, Bajaj Finance collected valuable customer data, and over time the company built relationships with millions of consumers. So relationship in finance are extremely valuable, you know. So this it was happened now. This was the real magic that happened that time. So once Bajaj Finance acquired a customer, it did not stop here. Also, the company could offer also personal loans, business loans, credit cards, insurance product, investment solution. The customer could generate revenue multiple times, significant, increasingly profitability. So when traditional lenders often relied heavily on paperwork and lengthy approvals, Bajaj Finance is like invested heavily in technology and analytics. So the company used data to understand also customer behavior, repayment history, and spending patterns and credit worthiness. So this help make faster also and also smarter for lending decisions. So the result better customer experience and loyalty. So many lenders grow rapidly, but rapid growth, often also creates bad loans because Bajaj Finance focused on balanced growth. So the company continuously monitored and the credit quality, risk exposure, and customer profiles. So this discipline approach helped maintain asset and quality even while expanding aggressively. The most financial companies specialize in one area, like Bajaj Finance expanded into multiple segments. Today it serves like salaried employees, also self-employed professional, and to small businesses, large businesses, rural customers, and urban customers. So the company built a diversified lending portfolio. This reduce also dependence on any single market. So in India, as India became more digital, Bajaj Finance adapted quickly. How? Because the company invested in also technology. Now digital loan approvals, mobile application app came, then online financial services came, then instant financing solution came. So customer increasingly wanted speed, and Bajaj Finance delivered it. One click, you have solutions. So success was not guaranteed, but the company also that time faced a lot of like economic slowdowns and rising capital. This is the money matter. So also rising competition also was there, regulatory charges, credit cycles risk also. Financial businesses are highly sensitive and economic condition to because one wrong lending decision can create major losses. This is why risk management remained a core focus, because if you are giving someone to money for lend, you don't know how to, you don't know he is a loyal customer or not. And so why investor also loved Bajaj Finance? Investor were attracted several factors like consistent growth and high return on quality. So most importantly, the company repeatedly demonstrated its ability to find growth opportunity. So most people think Bajaj Finance is lending company, but real strength is different. It is a customer acquisition and data company, as a lender. And this company understood something important: the more customer relationship you build, the more financial products you can offer. That creates a powerful long-term business model. So what is the lesson? The Bajaj Finance did not become successfully by giving more loans. It become successful by building an ecosystem and customers for customers around customers. While competitors focus on one transaction, Bajaj Finance focused on relationships with customers. So those relationships become one of the most valuable asset in Indian finance. So Bajaj Finance proved one thing very clearly, one powerful truth: the best business do not just sell the product. They create systems that continuously generate value. So tell me, do you think future of finance belong to traditional banks or technology driven financial companies? Comment your thought below. So bye bye.